Oh fuck! I fucked it up. Why? Because you're supposed to put the tip in first, and I didn't do it. But I remember it was my color.
You're supposed to put the tip in.
Ha ha.
Well, we can't hear you all the way over there on the couch.
Peanut gallery.
What?
Yeah, Chuck's fucking fired.
Alright.
It's alright. He's the DJ. He's not the peanut gallery.
Yeah. It's me, Jay.
Hit me, Jay. Here, I'll just cut a big hole. Like crazy. That big. For my cupcake. Oh, here it is. Okay. This is enough for my cupcake. Oh, it'll be more than enough, actually. Ghosts, weed leaves, cats, leaves, candy, spiders, witch hats. Where do the weed leaves come in there, dude? It's fucking random.
Always.
She's just not fair. Are there any other pink bowls? Shit. Actually, we'll put it in a mug. There you go. And before my entire kitchen is dyed different colors. You guys should have made a pumpkin Haley knife. We did! I've got my pumpkin one. It looks like shit though. It's just basically an orange cupcake with a black smile on it. It's like the worst pumpkin I've ever made in my life. It looks like a uterus. Easy. Easy uterus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have our first 6 cupcakes decorated. Do you guys want to see?
You need to add the white candies on them, or the white lines on the thing.
I guess I should. Yo, can we get some Haley Candy in the chat, please, so I can see what the emote looks like? That'd be great. As Allie comes in and spams it. All right, let me see.
It was like a white bridge and then.
All right, let me try.
Are there more in here?
Okay, so there's the white bridge, and then 2 lines, and then another one that connects.
Say it loud. Who's gonna love you like me? Like me.
All right.
Say it loud, say it loud. Who's gonna touch you like me?
Yo, this looks like shit. I tried, Chad. I'm sorry. I tried. All right. We have 6. Are these dry? Dry. Are they cool?
Yeah, they're cool enough.
Now what? Oh, you know what? We have these candy eyeballs. I should put these on my.